Hey guys, it's Sam here at WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome Mama Chia Chia Squeeze Vitality Snack in the Blueberry Bliss. This is so tasty. I love these little snacks. I like to keep them in my purse or in my car even, just to have on the go. They're so easy to eat. They're just like any other pouch you twist off. It's really nice because this is all organic. It has no added sugar. It's about 70 calories and it has 1,200 milligrams of omega-3s. So great nutrients in here. And then it has a really good source of fiber. And it's one of those companies that really values taking care of others and putting out a good product, which I like. So I definitely recommend these. I think they're great, gluten-free, vegan, all of the things that people like to hear nowadays. So check them out, and that's my point of view.